Welcome back to another Aspire to Be video. It's T, and by the title you should have an idea what we're looking at today, so let's get right on to the video. As usual, you may know by our previous videos, you prep the nails, then apply the base coat and set it to dry, then apply a color of your choice, followed by wiping the excess nail polish that's on the side of the fingernails. Remember to like and share this video, subscribe to our channel to become an Aspire to Be star, and join our galaxy. Remember to follow us on Instagram using the link down in the description. Also, don't forget to comment down below what you think of this design. If you're a nature lover, feel free to click on the iCard and it will take you straight to one of our nature videos. As you can see, we're trying something different. We're creating an abstract on the fingernail using a brush. Now I'm aligning the abstract I created with the light blue color with silver, and then afterwards I'm going to use a brush and wipe some of it so it can have a thin line and not go off on the nail too much. If you watch to the end of the video, which you should, you will see where I initially did the design on a practice fingernail, liked it, and now I'm trying to copy that design on Elle's nail. So watch to the end of the video and tell me if I did well down in the comments section. Stars, I do apologize for Elle's absence in this video. After I finished her nails, she had to run to deal with some business. So this is the nail I was talking about earlier on in the video. This is what I was looking at. So as I said before, in the comment section, tell me how I did in copying this design I made. Thanks for watching this video. Remember, aspire to be the star you truly are. Until next time.